Hello everyone, today I will show you about how to get token for free in Top 11 app. Yes, now let's check my results in my accounts. Yes, all of the results, if you need to upgrade your account, you need to pay money to buy it to upgrade. But for my method I show you today, it's everything free. Now let's check my token in my account. Yes, 157. First you need to go to the browsers and type in this website procoach.vip/top11. Yes, and click go. Now please enter your usernames and select platform and click connect. Yes, waiting. And then click OK. And then select the token that you want to generate. Yes, please waiting for a moment because the system is processing to get token for free into your account. Yes, click verify. Hey guys, this is an important step to verify you are a human, not a robot. So you must download two apps for free below to verify to unlock to get free resources. After download is completed, please open and sign up and run this app around 30 seconds. Yes, let's start this game. Just then click install one more app. After download done, please open and running this app around 30 seconds too. Just please open this app and sign up it. Yes, I do this step to make sure that my verification bypass are successfully done for this step. So after you done all this step, you want to delete this app or not, it's up to you. Yes, after finish all steps, please restart your apps again and check all together. Oh yes, finally I am success to get free token in my Top 11 account. So I hope everyone can do it success like me. Yes, and thank you, and I hope everyone can do it success. And please follow any steps in this video. Yes, thank you all together.